Yeah, today we are going to discuss about append. So in Power BI, so by using append, we can combine the multiple table information into a single table. So here we can see that we have a student information, that is one is 2020 user information and 2021 information. So here we can see that all the columns are same and same. The number of the columns is total 5 columns are available in both the tables. Okay. So now we will try to append this information in Power BI. So let's open the Power BI. So I get the data. So the my source is Excel, right? So I'm going to load that 2020 information. Okay. So here is my data. So let's transfer. So this is the data. So here we can see this. These null values are there. So let's remove null values. I can say like remove top bottom three, bottom three. Okay, so null values are removed, and here we can see this. The ID contain like integer data type, first name it's character, remaining are all it's like characters. It's text format. It's a text format. Okay, so 2020 information is low. So now we'll try to load the information again. The 2020 information we'll try to load. Okay, I'm going to load 2020 information. So okay. Okay, here is our data. Okay, so here we have ID, first name, last name, and comment. So we'll going to load this 2020 information under 2020 data. Okay, so here in home we have like an append query. So here go to append query, and we need to select which information we want, which table we want, we going to append. So we need to append 2021. Okay, select. Okay, so here we can see that. So these first five rows are belongs to 2020. Okay, the remaining information which is belongs to 2021 information. So this is the one type of a scenario, how to append. Okay, okay, let's assume we have the column name is different, and we have like another one more column, we have like city. Okay, so if you look at our previous table, previous information, here we have the ID, but here we have the student ID, and remaining all these are same. However, we have added the new column, that is city. In this case, if we append, how it will going to, the output, how it will going to show, right? So this one we are going to experiment this one. Okay, so let's try to load the data first. Excel. So this one 2022. Okay, this is the data. So this column will no need, we can remove that one. So here we can see that here this I student ID is integer only. I mean to say like number only. Okay, if we append here, how it is going to perform? Okay, I'm going to here like 2020. This is the I'm considering as this one is the base table. So append query, and here we need to select 2022. So already we have done for 2021. Okay, 2022. If I done, okay, look at look at here. So the ID which is contained, which is showing like up to 16, the ID is showing like numbers. So here what will happen, it's considering is null. So why? Because whenever the base table, like the table, it's searching for ID, but here we have defined as a student ID. So then if it is not matched, then automatically the respective column will consider as a null value. So here we can see that the first name and the last name, email and gender is all detailed information is matching, right? So then these information all is mapped correctly. Okay. Okay, then if you look at here, so hence this student id is not matched with any these above columns, right? Then automatically it will derive as a new column, and it remaining for previous, so it will assign as a null value. So remaining until it will give that 2022 information. Same like that, if the city is not matched with the previous table, right? So then it will create as a new column, and it will assign the this respective value following with that null values for the previous records. So this is the append. I hope you understand this.